Welcome to ICT classes. Dear students, as we have learned about computer language in previous session, today we will learn about all the generations of the computer language in detail. Computer needs stepwise instruction to perform any action. The process of writing programs in computer language is called programming language. First generation language. See, this is binary language. First generation language was machine language that was understood by the computer only. As computer can understand machine language 0 and 1, so this was low level language. First generation computers. See students, you can see this type of computer was first generation. In first generation, vacuum tubes were used and machine dependent. Second generation language. Second generation language was assembly language. In this language, mnemonic codes or the symbols were used in place of 0 and 1. For example, for addition, add, for subtraction, sub. It was time consuming and machine dependent, so it was also low level language. For example, second generation languages are Fortran or COBOL. Second generation computers, you can see transistors were used and punched card for the input devices. Third generation language. This language was simple and user friendly. It was machine independent. It becomes easy to learn and use. That's why it was called as high level language. To instruction to the computer, there was a need of the translator, compiler and interpreter as the translator were used. For example, example of the languages are C++, C, Java. Third generation computers, you can see integrated circuit were used, operating system for the interface. Fourth generation language. It is user friendly and machine independent. It was very high speed in execution, easy to understand by the user but difficult to understand by the computer. Now we are using fourth generation language. Examples are PHP, Python and Ruby. Fourth generation computers, you can see microprocessor were introduced. Fifth generation language. This language is used to develop artificial intelligence programs. This is machine independent and easy to learn. Examples are Mercury, OPS5, Prolog. See students, fifth generation computers capable of parallel processing and support the voice recognition. See students, all the generations of the computer, first, second, third, fourth and fifth generation. So in all the generations, you can see vacuum tube, transistors, integrated circuit, microprocessor and quantum computers were used. Thank you.